What's going on, guys? It's your boy Wiz, and I'm back with another video. And today we're gonna talk about the Noco Boost Plus GB40. It's a jump start cable. If you never heard of it, and it works like a charm, man. You know, I'm always on the road, so when I come back home, you know, I barely drive my Camaro too much. But when I do come back, this thing will crank it up with no problem. I'm telling you. But you know, so. It's been a little while, so you know, come with your boy. What's going on, guys? I'm back, and like I said, we're gonna do this Noco Boost Plus. This is the GB40 version. So I actually already used it, but you know, I just put it back in the box. And here you go. As you can see, it is the GB40. It's 12 volts, 1,000 amps. And man, this thing worked like a charm, and this is not even the highest version. So what comes with it is, of course, you see the prongs, and that's it basically, man. It's very simple setup. Boom, as soon as you take it off, here you go. The Noco's Boost Plus. And let's talk about what comes in the box first. So as soon as you open it, boom, this is the first thing, and then you got a little travel bag for it. You got a little, you know, a little nice little pouch or whatever. Boom. And then once you open it, of course you got the prongs. And then you got the charger that you plug into the USB in and charge it up. You got the car port for the cigarette lighter, and you got the instructions. So this is simple as it gets, guys. If you like me, I travel a lot, so I don't get to drive my car much. But when I come back in town, this is a piece of cake. So this is the part that, of course, the prongs go into. And here's the light. So when you turn it on, mine should be fully charged. So, well, no, it's not. It then went down already. So here's the light. Nice little light. Got a little different options, levels, and they got the blinker one. Boom. So so as simple as day, man. So I guess on probably like you get a few starts out of it before you have to charge it again, like for a full charge. And like I said, this end is where this goes. Just take this off, and then you just plug it in. If it ever go in, there you go. Boom, you got that in. This end right here is for your charging cable. So you stick that in here, and then of course you just plug that into this. And you have the phone, so you can plug your phone up to this. You got an iPhone, as it shows on here. You see it right here. You know, you can plug your phone up, and you know, this product is great, man. I saw it on YouTube. I saw a guy had the same car I had, and when he did it, he plugged it in, and it just crunked right up, man. I was like, yeah, I have to get one of those. But I didn't even have a chance to get it myself. It was a gift, actually. So it came through perfect in the clutch. Perfect. And that's it, guys. You know, quick review on it. If you're ever thinking about getting one, I highly recommend you get one. They have like probably like 4 different sizes. You know, you got the G40, you got the G30, you got the G50. You got the GB 100. It keeps going up from there. So, you know, definitely choose, you know, whichever one. This cranks up RVs. What else? They had a whole long list. What it was, RVs, 4-wheelers. So yeah, definitely, man, I highly recommend this. And that's it, guys. I'm signing out. You dig?